In this lecture, we will talk on balance sheet. What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet or a statement of financial position or condition is a summary of the financial balances of a business as of a specific date, such as the end of financial year or end of a fiscal year. It is the basic financial statement, usually accompanied by appropriate disclosures that describe the basis of accounting used in its preparation and presentation of a specific date, the entity's assets, liabilities, and the equity of its owners. It is a report on the financial condition of an organization and is required by GAAP. In the balance sheet, assets are expressed in terms of the liabilities and capital, which must equal each other. It is simply the same accounting equation. Or another way to look at the balance sheet is total assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity.